Dreambaby's Prague bed rail is a great way to help keep your children safer at night. The sturdy bed rail with breathable mesh is suitable for flat and slat bed bases and features a convenient fold-down side to make it easy to use. It's so easy to install and no tools are required. Simply follow the included instructions. To fold the side down, lift both tabs on the bracket simultaneously and swing the bed rail down. To lift it back up, release the lock and just swing the bed rail up against the mattress until it clicks into the locked position. The breathable mesh material cover comes off for washing. For overnight trips, it's easily portable and comes with a convenient storage bag. Put your mind at ease with Dreambaby's Prague bed rail so both you and your child can get a good night's sleep.